Filter selection. To analyze and select the best cryptocurrencies, we have created a powerful selection tool called Filter Selection. By clicking on the appropriate button, you enter a section where there is all the list of cryptocurrencies. You can optionally choose a specific category to analyze, and you have 3 indicators on which to apply a selection filter. For example, you can select the Diamond ratio, which is a 1-month trend indicator, volatility and drawdown, which is the maximum loss in the past, leaving only the cryptos that currently have a positive trend, the volatility not higher than 150%, and those that have had a maximum drawdown of no more than 69%. At this point, you can analyze the cryptocurrencies that survived by clicking on it and examining on the right the main statistical data and being able to insert a quantity in the portfolio. It is also possible to order the cryptocurrencies based on one of the indicators by clicking on the relative arrow.